At the heart of a tropical paradise lies a calm, largely undisturbed habitat, where a wide diversity of wildlife finds refuge, and the conditions needed to survive and thrive. From ancient rainforests to rugged coastlines, Thailand supports some of the most biologically productive environments on Earth. This landscape is shaped by complex ecosystems and long-standing cultural traditions. Where the rhythms of nature are constantly in motion and clearly observable. Welcome to Wild Thailand. Thailand, at the heart of Southeast Asia, is a shining jewel of the East. A land of diverse climates where a variety of habitats have created a unique opportunity for remarkable species to thrive. Over 300 mammal species roam this land. Some compete with one another, and all face the challenges of harsh environments. With its striking climatic and geographic diversity, Thailand stands as one of the world's most important biodiversity hotspots. Its tropical rainforests, said to be even older than the Amazon, conceal ancient and unexplored cave systems within their depths. The cool mornings in Thailand's highland forests offer a golden opportunity for hog deer to gather the energy they need for the day. During the dry, cold season, they must stock up before the scorching heat arrives and food becomes scarce. Although they are rarely seen on hills, these creatures have adapted remarkably well to the cold, elevated plateaus. Their survival depends on the precise timing of their life cycle. And reproducing in sync with the fresh growth of forest shoots. Their short antlers allow them to move easily through dense underbrush, while their extraordinary sense of smell and hearing helps them detect predators before being seen. In the dense forests of Thailand, sounds echo that define boundaries. The calls of gibbons. These arboreal mammals have lived in this habitat for thousands of years, and are known as masters of movement among the branches. They have evolved in two color forms, blonde and black. Gibbons use vocalizations to establish their territories. These calls play a key role in maintaining distance between groups, especially when valuable food resources are present within their range. Ripe figs are one of their most important food sources. But for neighbors that feed mostly on leaves, these fruits are a serious temptation. Despite the vocal warnings, this temptation sometimes leads to intrusions into another's territory. In such cases, the response is swift, and the intruder is usually forced to retreat. With the change of seasons, when the trees within the black gibbon's territory begin to bear fruit, the pattern of competition shifts, and the roles between groups are reversed. Now the black gibbon's territory becomes a valuable food source. Other groups are drawn in, and this time, the black gibbons are the ones forced to defend it. The Indo-Chinese tiger thrives in this region, and Thailand is believed to hold the largest population of this subspecies in the world. Its striped coat provides perfect camouflage among the shadows of dense rainforests and tangled undergrowth. Yet, gaur and hog deer remain ever vigilant. Making each hunt a true test of skill. Tigers may travel several miles across their territory in search of prey, relying on stealth, patience, and the element of surprise. These majestic predators have a particular affinity for water, often lying in wait near rivers and marshes, where other animals gather to drink. This love for water not only aids in hunting, but also brings life to the intricate dance between predator and prey in Thailand's wild landscapes. With their combination of raw power, cunning, and intimate knowledge of their territory, Indo-Chinese tigers stand as one of Southeast Asia's most iconic and formidable hunters. Every movement they make is a living display of precision, patience, and the untamed beauty of the natural world. In southern Thailand, the landscape transforms into an ancient, hidden world. Towering limestone islands and primeval rainforests create unique habitats for species perfectly adapted to this environment. Heavy annual rains over thousands of years have sculpted the rock, carving vast networks of underground caves. To the local Buddhist communities, these caves are sacred. Places where nature intertwines with beliefs in birth, death, and rebirth. Within this darkness, millions of bats spend the day in quiet refuge. At dusk, they emerge in a synchronized flow, filling the sky. A spectacle that has repeated for millennia. Once the bats depart, the caves are far from empty. Insects and beetles move in, feeding on the remnants and keeping this subterranean world alive and clean. Nothing goes to waste here. Death becomes the seed of new life. A reflection of the cycles central to Buddhist philosophy. Deep within the caves, where no light penetrates, cave-dwelling snakes glide silently. They do not rely on sight, instead sensing their prey through acute smell and vibrations. Some can even detect the body heat of their quarry. Lying in wait along the busiest bat corridors, they strike with precision, maintaining the delicate balance of this hidden ecosystem. In Buddhist belief, respect for life extends to all creatures and every element of nature, with water holding a special place. This vital force not only sustains life, but also brings a deep sense of calm to the forest and its inhabitants. Asian elephants never stray far from water sources. returning at least once a day to drink and bathe. Their time in the water not only meets their physical needs, but also strengthens social bonds within the herd, playing a crucial role in the group's security and harmony. Within these ancient forests, smaller creatures also live and thrive. Leaf monkeys feed on the nearly endless resources of the jungle. Unlike gibbons, they move comfortably in large groups. Their grooming behavior, removing ticks and parasites, ensures physical health while reinforcing family and social ties, affirming each individual's place within the community. Yet, amid this bustling life, silent and cunning predators lie in wait. The Asian cobra, the forest's quiet king, wields venom potent enough to subdue even a full-grown elephant. Typically concealed among leaves and branches, it strikes only when certain that its prey is unaware of any other danger. In this lush expanse, life flows on. Every creature, from the gentle social giants to the stealthy, patient hunters, plays its part in maintaining the delicate balance of the jungle. In the southern forests, the Asian peafowl moves gracefully with vibrant feathers and a long tail. Intriguingly, when threatened, it fans its tail into a massive display that confuses predators and even deer. A spectacle few other birds can perform. In the northern forests, Asian black bears move slowly and cautiously. Feeding on fruits and plants. Occasionally climbing trees with deliberate care. Among the dense canopy, the clouded leopard is one of Southeast Asia's most elusive predators. With its cloud-shaped markings and compact, powerful body, it is perfectly adapted to life in the trees. Wild Thailand is a land where adaptation, innovation, cooperation, and animal skill, combined with natural beauty, create a unique world. Every creature plays its part in this living tableau. And only the most successful survivors are rewarded with life in this wild paradise. Protecting Thailand's wild landscapes is a challenge that continues to grow. In this natural world, life and death flow endlessly through its diverse habitats. Within the cycle of birth, transformation, mating, and death, the promise of new life quietly emerges. And through a Buddhist lens, one that looks beyond the surface, guided by curiosity and wonder, we begin to understand this silent continuity, where every ending is, in truth, a new beginning.